Welcome to Instapage. Let's talk about the personalization functionality. It allows you to create customized designs for multiple audiences and deliver a personalized experience of the same page to each individual user. To begin, click Create Experience, name the experience, and select the landing page you want to personalize. Click Edit Design to open the Instapage Builder and begin editing your new page. For this tutorial, we'll change the header of our landing page and add the link to the CTA button. Let's save changes and publish our personalized landing page. You can either publish it using automatic parameter or UTM parameters. Let's opt for the second option. Once all the parameters are set, click Publish, then click Confirm to assign the new URL to your experience. That's it. Your page has been published. Now you can track the page analytics in the Analytics tab of your Instapage dashboard. Thanks for watching. Check out our other video tutorials and sign up for a 14-day free trial at instapage.com.